High School. I am in fourth year section 1 and I was involved in SEED since I was in first year, and I would like to say thanks to Sir Simon and Sir Hafiz for giving us another knowledge in science and technology, and Ma'am Gloria Bato for giving us another opportunity for this kind of workshop, and to Ma'am Rosalina Molina for giving me the authority to be the president of Sidlad, and to all of the teachers that is that is in this workshop, such as Sir Roland Bercelon, Ma'am Carmelita Pingol, and Ma'am Lucila Tison for being there for us to support. Thank you.
Also, any thanks to our school principal.
And to Ma'am Levita Ramos for giving us the opportunity to use the FITED, which is one of the computer lab in Quirino High School.
Okay, thank you, Clea.